No, it's the same color.
Trouble, man. Got the whistle in the truck. And got the bike calling out fade.
I remember back in the day, it used to be my turn. I used to be sitting here, putting my bike together, ready to go whoop on niggas on Annis, and start the bike up, and watch all the niggas pull their bikes over to the side. You know, you gotta do a little wiggle room. Man, go get Bruno. We need Bruno for this startup. This legendary.
Oh yeah, shit. We on Telemundo. We on Telemundo right now.
Let me dust my forehead off.
Exclusive. Exclusives.
We on video. Give me that one. Give me that one, Tom.
You know this shit serious when you got Ralph working on your bike. Nah, for real, yeah. This shit got serious. This shit got hectic.
Tommy got me working right here.
I'm coming for that fucking belt.
On a fucking Friday.
You think that belt will fit me? I look good in that motherfucker too, huh?
We got pieces to the motherfucker don't fit.
Shh. I wear that motherfucker to work. Nigga, they gonna think it's WWE in that motherfucker like this. Yeah. What's with the brake?
I didn't fuck up the plate too bad.
No, hell no.
A few little things, you know.
¿Me se nota, bro?
Acá sí le cagué, pues se me fue un poquito grinder and shit. Too much power, man. Got enough power like his motor.
No, but what that, like what you do right there, like put it on a piece.
Do it right here. We have, when they order a race, a bike for a race motor, we're gonna start doing that shit automatically.
Yeah.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? Damn, OG down. OG's down.
OG
Now she just needs some OG with it, dog.
I'm trying to keep these two bikes in the tournament.
Now she just needs some spring, no? You gonna put the little man on the
What
bike?
you call that? Blues Clues?
I wanted to.
Nah.
So guys, my name's OG. I'm 13 and I race mini bikes. I'm gonna shout myself out. Instagram is S14_OG. The GT frame, powder coated by Aussie. It's gonna be a race bike for the tournament. After that, it's gonna be a cruiser. And this bike's gonna be pretty fast. It's gonna be up there.